One of the most crucial aspects of running a successful business is setting goals, but not just mindlessly writing goals. I'm talking about OKRs, objectives, and key results. Today, I'll be breaking down how they can transform your business. Plus, I've got a special resource for you at the end that's going to supercharge your goal setting skills, so make sure to stick around for that. What exactly are OKRs? Let me put it in simple terms for you. Objectives are the inspiring, broad goals that you want to achieve. Key results are the measurable steps that show how you're progressing towards those objectives. Think of it like planning a vacation. Your objective is the destination, say a beach getaway, and your key results are the steps you take to get there, like booking flights, finding a hotel, and packing your sunscreen. That leads into why OKRs are essential. They provide clarity and direction, especially when it comes to what your customers want. Instead of running around in circles, your team focuses on what really matters. Imagine trying to assemble a puzzle without the box cover. It's frustrating, right? OKRs are that cover, showing you the bigger picture and keeping everybody on the same page. Now, let's talk about the most important aspect, the customer. Ask yourself, what do our customers need? What problems can we solve for them? By aligning your OKRs with customer satisfaction, you're not just setting goals, you're creating a roadmap to success. Let's say your objective is to improve customer experience. Your key results could include reduce response time to customer inquiries by 50% or increase customer satisfaction scores by 20%. It's clear, right? Alright, let's break down how to set effective OKRs. First, be ambitious but achievable. Set goals that push you but aren't out of reach. It's like setting a personal best in a race. You want it to be challenging but doable. Second, make them measurable. If you can't measure it, you can't improve it. Instead of increase sales, say increase sales by 15% in the next quarter. See the difference? And finally, keep it simple. Don't overwhelm your team with too many objectives. Focus on 3 to 5 key goals, because remember, it's not a buffet, it's a curated menu. Now you might be wondering, how often should you be checking in on your OKRs? Very regularly. Weekly or bi-weekly check-ins help you stay on track and adapt as needed. These check-ins are also a great opportunity to celebrate wins and tackle challenges together as a team. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Now, as promised, here's a fantastic resource for you if you're wondering how to implement OKRs. We at Hyperdrive are a business transformation company that offers courses on Agile foundations, including mastering OKRs. So if you want to dive deeper and really understand how to set effective goals, Hyperdrive can help. But to wrap things up, setting goals using OKRs is like giving your business a well-defined map with your customers at the center. Don't forget, ambitious objectives, measurable key results, and regular check-ins are your recipe for success.